Vlogs, aka Ma's Video Vlogs. Number 87, Thanksgiving on a boat. Happy Thanksgiving! I could be sad because I'm not with family and friends at this holiday. Or I could be happy and spread the joy of Thanksgiving to my friends from all over the world on this sail ship. And you know I'm gonna choose a ladder. I volunteered to be the galley, to be the cook. I have to prepare and cook the original food for the customers, but during that time, I want to cook the Thanksgiving dinner for my crew.
My first Thanksgiving. It's my first Thanksgiving.
But if you guys know me, I'm not that great of a cook, so I'm hoping that I don't give anyone food poisoning. That would suck. That'd be a true American spirit though. Now we have to go get the turkey, so we're on our way. Go, starting to cook, and I got my apron on. Got it for Dirty Bird, or Nick got it for Dirty Bird. I'm ready to be the chef for Thanksgiving. Pretty scared. I hope I don't get anyone food poison, and I got my apron on. I turned grills on. I volunteered Neil, the other American on board, to be my galley hand, so we have two Americans giving these special crewmates a Thanksgiving. Is that how you're supposed to do it? Put it in the oven. I just finished the food for the customers. Now I'm gonna clean all of this and start making the Thanksgiving list. I mean, I already made the turkey, so that's pretty good. It's perfect.
Det hade varit jättetrevligt om vi kunde alla bara gå in i köket och knulla lite. Så livet hade blivit så jävla mycket roligare och bara helt alldeles underbart. Tack så mycket.
Was perfect.
It was fucking amazing.
The turkey was moist.
So moist.
And beautiful. So moist.
So that was my Thanksgiving in Australia. It was pretty cool sharing it with people from all around the world. It was great to have Neil helping me, and especially Lisa. Thanks for helping me cook. I'm super thankful for everything in my life. I'm thankful for my family, I'm thankful for my friends, thankful for traveling, thankful for every opportunity that I have. I'm just very thankful. And today I found out that I could cook Thanksgiving dinner for 10 plus people. It was tiring, very tiring. So props to every person, every American who freaking makes Thanksgiving dinner every year. Holy Jesus, that was hard, but it was fun. All the way from Sydney, Australia on a tall ship. I just want to wish you guys happy Thanksgiving.